In today's video, we're looking at computer health and safety. Repetitive strain injury, RSI, is a condition where the muscles, tendons, nerves, joints, ligaments are injured or suffer disorder. Carpal tunnel syndrome and tendonitis are also RSIs when using computers. Tendonitis is caused by repeated stress or motion on a tendon, and this causes tendon inflammation. Carpal tunnel syndrome, CTS, occurs when the nerve that is connected to the forearm and the palm of the wrist becomes inflamed. CTS or tendonitis of the wrist is caused by repetitive or forceful bending of the wrist. Signs of tendonitis of the wrist are extreme pain, which extends from the forearm to the hand, with tingling in the fingers. Signs of CTS occurs when the nerve is compressed, are burning pain, and also the thumb and two fingers having symptoms of tingling and numbness. CTS or tendonitis can be caused by using a computer over a long period of time. CTS or tendonitis can be caused by typing for a long period of time, extended use of the mouse, or constant shifting between the keyboard and the mouse. Permanent harm can be done to the body if CTS or tendonitis is not treated. To prevent CTS, RSI, and tendonitis, the following are recommended. Exercise your arms and hands when you take frequent breaks while using a computer for a long period of time. Use a wrist between the keyboard and the edge of your desk to minimize injury when you are typing. Place the mouse at least 150 millimeters from the edge of your desk to minimize injury when you are using a mouse. Minimize the constant shifting between typing on the keyboard and using the mouse. Computer vision syndrome, abbreviated CVS, is a condition that can be caused by using a computer for an extended period of time. If you stare at the computer monitor for a long time and you experience any of the following conditions, such as eyes that are sore, burning, tired, itching or dry, blurred or double vision, distance blurred vision, headache or sore neck, difficulty changing focus between documents and the monitor, challenges focusing on the image on the screen, color fringes or after images if you look away from the monitor, and increased light sensitivity, then you may have CVS. Eye strain caused by CVS is not associated with detrimental or long-term harm, but it can cause disruption and unpleasant consequences for the user. Let us look at how we can prevent eye strains, CVS. Take an eye break every 10 to 15 minutes. Every 5 seconds, blink your eyes. Make sure that the distance between the monitor and your eyes is about an arm's length from your eyes to the top of the screen at your eye level or below. Use large fonts. Ask your doctor about computer glasses if you wear tested glasses. You should have suitable lighting when using a computer. Persons may have lower back pain, fatigue of the muscle, and emotional fatigue if they spend a lot of time using a computer. Poor posture can cause lower back pain. Let us look at how we can prevent lower back pain, muscle fatigue, and emotional fatigue. To prevent lower back pain, always sit properly in the chair when you're using the computer. You should stand up, walk around, or stretch when you take a break every 30 to 60 minutes while you work at the computer. Ensure that your workplace is ergonomically designed. Ergonomics. Ergonomics is the science of incorporating comfort and safety of the human body. This is achieved by adjusting equipment, furniture, workstation design, and routines to fit the computer user. This is done to prevent injuries that are repetitive, and ergonomics is used in the workplace to address these prevention of injuries. Ergonomics is using the right type of chair, display device, and work surface for the user helps the user work comfortably and efficiently. Ergonomics protects the user's health when they're using the computer. We're now looking at how ergonomics can enhance computer health and safety. Some display devices and keyboards have features with ergonomical designs. Built into some keyboards are wrist rest. Other keyboards have ergonomic design to minimize RSI. Display devices normally have controls so that the user can adjust contrast, position, brightness, and the height and width of images. To reduce neck strain and glare from lighting that is overhead, a majority of the monitors have a tilt and swivel base so that the user can adjust the angle of the screen. We are continuing to look at how ergonomics can enhance computer health and safety. To allow adjustments to the height and build of different users, an ergonomic designed work area should be flexible. Good air quality and lighting are also important ergonomic considerations. So here we have the image of the user who is using a computer laptop, and the first requirement is that the user's feet should be flat on the floor. The chair should be stay adjustable and have 4 or 5 legs for stability. So here are the 4 or 5 legs on the lower part of the chair. Arms, elbows at 90 degrees, and arms and hands approximately parallel to the floor. The keyboard height, if they're using a keyboard, should be between 584 millimeters to 711 millimeters, depending on the height of the person. And the viewing angle should be 20 degrees to the center of the computer screen, as indicated by this red arrow. Green computing. Green computing is reducing the environmental waste and electricity usage when computers are used. Resources such as electricity and paper are frequently wasted when computers are used. The society is taking steps to deal with this issue. Personal computers, display devices, and printers should adhere to the Energy Star guidelines. Many devices switch to power save or standby mode after a specified amount of inactive minutes or hours. Computers and other equipment contain toxic materials and likely dangerous elements such as lead, mercury, and flame retardants. These materials are released into the environment if computers and other equipment are disposed in a landfill. The recycling and refurbishing of old computers and equipment are better options for the environment instead of storing them at your home or disposing them in landfills.